In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your logo in Framer. Welcome everyone. If you're excited to customize your design and make it truly yours, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and explore the simple and effective way to update your logo in Framer. To start off, you want to make sure you have Framer open on your computer. So go ahead and launch the application. Once you're in, take a moment to get familiar with the workspace. Now, very often, small changes can have a big impact, and updating your logo is one of those changes that can give your project a fresh, new look. Moving to the right side of your Framer screen, you'll notice a panel. This panel is full of options, helping you tailor your design to perfection. One item you'll see here is labeled Fill. This is the area where changes to your visual elements, like images, can take place. It's your gateway to personalizing your design. To proceed with updating your logo, you'll want to focus on the Fill section. Clicking on Image here will allow you to delve deeper into the customization. Next, you'll find an option that says Choose Image. Click on it, and what this does is open a window that lets you navigate through your files. Feel free to take your time at this stage to make sure you're selecting the right document. Remember, this is where you get to select your new logo from wherever you have it saved on your device. Whether it's stored in your Images folder or on your desktop, take a moment to locate the logo you want to use. Once you've found it, a simple click will select the logo. But keep in mind to double-check your selection before you proceed, as this assures that the right file is uploaded. This step is critical because your logo is often the first impression of your brand or project, so ensuring it's the right one makes all the difference. And just like that, the moment you've been waiting for arrives. Your updated logo is now live on your project. Such a quick and easy process can make a significant impact on the overall look and feel of your work. Remember, a frequently updated logo can keep your design current and convey the right message about your brand or project to viewers or clients. I hope this walkthrough has made the process simple and straightforward for you. You are now equipped to make those personal touches that really set your work apart. Enjoy tweaking and polishing your designs. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video with more design tips and tricks.